I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Accuracy is non-negotiable. At PD Tech, we ensure your records are IRD ready and perfectly reconciled.
Watch this video to learn how to add a bank account and connect a bank feed in Xero. To keep track of business bank and credit card balances and bring bank transactions into Xero so you can categorize them, you need to add a bank account. First, click Accounting. You can add bank accounts from the Chart of Accounts page or from Bank Accounts. Click Add Bank Account. Type in the Search field to find your bank provider, for example, HSBC. To narrow the search and make it easier to find the provider, you can use the Filter by Country button to choose a region. Results for other countries show at the bottom of the screen to help your search further. Hover over the information icon to see the URL for each bank displayed so you can confirm it's the correct bank. Select your bank provider. Your region and the bank feeds available will determine what you do next. For direct bank feeds, you'll be able to continue and log into bank. For Yodlee or other bank feed providers, you'll be able to continue or connect bank feed. Each provider has a different connection and authorization process. Follow the guided steps to set up the bank feed. Alternatively, if your bank isn't listed, a feed isn't available, or it's an account you won't need a feed for, such as a petty cash account, you can still add the account without a bank feed. On the Add Bank Accounts page, click Add Without Bank Feed. Read the information, then click Continue. Enter the bank name and account name. Then, select an account type. Choose Credit Card for credit card accounts and Other for all other types of account. Enter an account number. Depending on the version of Xero you use, you may need to select a currency for the account. Once complete, click Add Account. Add accounts for all your business bank and credit cards so you can reconcile business transactions in Xero.